In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate strut on this Nissan Pathfinder. At this point, you either want to have someone hold the liftgate for you or get something to support it, because one strut is not going to be strong enough to hold it and it will fall down as soon as you disconnect this. Now, you want to take a pocket screwdriver or a pick, get it right in here, pry this little clip away. This is going to unlock the end of this from the ball and socket joint. Usually it should stay out like that. Now, at this point, this one's kind of rusty. You should be able to pop it off of here, but unfortunately I can't. I'm going to use a rubber mallet and gently tap it off. There we go. On the other end, let's do the same. Let's pry this clip out. That should allow you to remove this end. And there's your old liftgate support. I added some grease to this pivot. Now the new part should come with some grease already, but I always like to add extra so that it can slide on this smoothly. If it doesn't, over time it will rust and create squeaks, noises, and it will wear out over time. So take your new assembly with the correct end and snap it right over this. Make sure it clicks in and locks in. And now at the top, do the same. Make sure it lines up. Slide it over. Of course, I'm reusing the old one. Your new one should be already snapped into place. Make sure it doesn't fall off. And then, of course, do the same to the other side, and you should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.